Well, I've been kind of busy doing some testing with managing Visual Studio Code with Claude Code. So let's try it out. I'm gonna just be copying commands from the side. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it will open in the same window. Let me see. Create a skill for that. Yeah, you see, open the package, and I'm just gonna keep just throwing things at it. You know, open the index at line 9. So index line 9. You see, it's pretty cool. So show me component button. Amazing. So the next one will be open helpers line. Yeah, it's because it's line and column, so it also works like that. Yeah, amazing. And if we go a little bit more hacky, a little bit more pushing the boundaries. Yeah, show me the div. And so there is one. Open the file that has the format date function. So let's see how it goes, how it does. Well, it's not format date, or probably did open it. Oh yeah, format date is here, you know, but it was the same helper, so I think it cheated because it was already open. So I'm gonna close some of them. And multiple opens as well. Buttons, you can just say, you know, open helpers and buttons.js. Helpers, and it's probably going to open buttons as well. Open the current folder in VS Code. I don't know what is that about. I haven't tested these ones, you know, so open the current folder in VS Code. What current folder? Ah, okay, I know the current folder where is Claude Code. I'm gonna ignore that one. Open the config folder in VS Code. Open the current folder in VS Code. It's open the current folder in VS Code. Open the config folder in VS Code. It's open in VS Code. So let me see. I think this is everything that I can do. Find the file with the grid and show it in the Explorer. I don't know what is this, but let's try it out. Okay, it didn't do it right, but that's fine. I wasn't expecting these documents, helpers, grid, and if I give it a, I think it's not properly opening the files in Windows, but I don't care. Helpers, and then the Explorer. Again, only opens in documents. This is, I mean, this could be definitely, this could be fixed. Actually, I could fix it in real life, in real time. You know, Explorer. And let's see, I don't know. And something that I wanted to test, open the config folder in VS Code. I'm gonna give it that one, because the config is here. This is the config. It opens a new window. Okay, well, it's not that bad. Actually, I could just go and tell something like, please find my settings.json and open it in VS Code. Yes, amazing, brother. And I think I have it in another window here, fixing the Explorer. Let's see if I actually fix it. So I will give it something like, open the config folder in Explorer. I think it's finished. Restart the test. Restart in Text Explorer commands again. I know I say restart, but I'm not gonna restart. Let's see if just doing it like this. Yeah, it worked. Amazing. This is hermoso. Well, this is it. No, a quick test. Quick test.